In high top torque, a reverse flange refers to this section of the high top that is reversed and comes back underneath. This is the reverse flange. A lot of high top manufacturers do a full reverse flange all the way around on all four sides, regardless of the van. A few problems with that is that if it doesn't match the shape of the existing van roof already, when it's cut out, then you're not going to get a very good seal. So what we do is we have a hybrid reverse flange, where we have a reverse flange at the front and the rear on a Chevy high top with the flexible sides that allows for a really good sealing along the sides. And on a Ford, we actually don't need that reverse flange at all, because on the back of a Ford, it's got a rain gutter, whereas on a Chevy, it's got a third brake light that goes all the way up and over. If you have any other questions about high tops and our thought processes, what vehicles they fit, please reach out to us.